Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with LC. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my guacamole. Honestly guys, there is no clear-cut measurements here. I think for this it's going to be very specific to everybody's taste. You'll add a little bit more or less of the things you don't like, but let's go ahead and get started. So as you guys can see here, I do have, I believe, about 3 small avocados. If you have the larger avocados, you can probably get away with just 2 if you're just making it for your family. So we're just gonna cut them in half, take the pit out, and then go ahead and add each of the avocados into your mixing bowl. And again, you guys can see the different spices and seasonings that I have here to add to it. And again, we'll add a little bit, and then as we go, we'll taste it. And if we need to add more, which you'll see that I do, you'll go ahead and want to do that. After you go ahead and add all of this, you'll just follow up behind with a little bit of olive oil. I think that's going to help everything kind of mash up together and give it a little bit of flavor. Hit it with a little bit of red diced onions and then a little bit of cilantro after that. Again, we'll add more as we need. So go ahead and just kind of give everything a mix. I'm just using 2 forks. I know some people like to use a potato masher. Again, we don't want the consistency to get too soft. You still want a little bit of, a little bit of texture in there. Followed up with a little bit of diced tomatoes. And then here we're gonna add half of a jalapeno. Would have liked to have a whole one, but this is all I had on hand. So hey, we make it work. And then go ahead and hit this with some lemon and lime juice. I like to use both of them just to give it a little extra something. In total, I used 1.5 of a lime and also of a lemon. You will see that a little bit later that after I tasted it and in between I did add an extra half of each. But again, you'll kind of taste as you go and add as you need to. Give everything a really good mix. Now let's just add in about 1.5 pinches of salt, maybe 2, again, depending on how much salt you like. And then we're gonna add in some fresh ground pepper as well. Now the Cholula lime hot sauce, completely optional, but guys, this packs in so much flavor and it just gives you a little extra heat. The taste is amazing. So go ahead and just throw in some drops in there. Again, it depends on how much heat you like, but I think this just gave it some amazing flavor. So I would suggest giving it a try. Mix everything together. Lastly, I did a little bit of a taste test and I needed a little bit more of that lemon lime, a little bit more red onion, a little bit more salt, and I think a little bit more pepper, and also the Cholula lime. Again, this is going to be to taste. So I'm just gonna mix everything together. And here it is, guys. This is the final product. It came out great. Serve it as a side dish. We actually topped off some amazing steak tacos with this, but enjoy it however you like. Hope you guys enjoyed this, guys, and thank you so much for watching.